Hello mathematicians, I hope by the end of this video you can say I can determine if the boundary point is solid or open, and I can graph linear inequalities. Let's look at a couple examples here. So we are given x is greater than -4. So let's find -4 on our number line. So we got -1, -2, -3, and -4. So this is going to be our spot right here. And so I'm just going to put a little circle right here. This is at -4. Okay. And I'm going to leave this circle open because we are not including -4. This is just x is greater than, not greater than or equal to. So it's greater than -4, so we're going to be moving to the right. So we're going to take this line and we're going to move to the right. Okay, so it's any value that is greater than -4. So any value over here, from -4, not including -4, all the way to infinity, all the way to positive infinity. So that's all, that would be how we would graph this inequality here. And before we move on, I just want to throw out that this statement right here, this inequality of x is greater than -4, is the exact same as -4 is less than x. They're the exact same, right? That this opens up towards the x, you know. Same thing over here. So these two are interchangeable. So these two graphs, these two inequalities would look the exact same. They're the exact same inequality. So let's look at another example here. So we're looking at x is less than or equal to, this line underneath means or equal to 2. X is less than or equal to 2. So similar to the last problem, this is the same exact thing as 2 is greater than or equal to x. These are the exact same things. So their graphs would look the exact same. So let's find 2 on the number line. So we're going to move 2 to the right. So 1, 2. And I'm going to circle this right here. And because it says or equal to, we're going to fill in this dot right here because we are including 2 on the number line. We're including 2. And it is less than or equal to 2. So we are going to move to the left. So it's going to be anything from 2 to -infinity all the way over here. So any values over here is going to what this inequality is telling us right here. Okay, so the main points are just making sure you're paying attention to whether you're filling in your boundary point or not. This is your boundary point, as well as understanding that if the variable flips sides, that we just need to flip the way that this inequality is facing, and that they're exact same inequality. Okay, so I hope by now, and with a little bit of practice, you can say I can determine if the boundary point is solid or open, and I can graph linear inequalities.